Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to use ChatGPT on your smartphone. So open your Google Chrome on your smartphone and here on the search box search for openai.com. And then on the first link tap on the OpenAI, and as you can see here the homepage of OpenAI, which you need to scroll down, then tap on Try ChatGPT. Here you have two options. You can log in or sign up your account. Here on sign up, you can create a new account, your new email address. But for this video, I will tap on log in. And then right here, as you can see, welcome back. You can log in back your email right here. Or you can actually tap this continue with Google. So once you've entered or logged in, you can see this homepage, ChatGPT. You can see examples, capabilities, and limitations. Then if you slide from left to right, you can see here the history, clear conversations, upgrade to plus, settings. Here on settings, when you tap this, you can toggle on to dark mode, as you can see, or you can go back and turn this off. And then you can also go to get help, and then right at the bottom you can see the send a message. You can type here whatever you want, but for this example I will tap on can you make top 10 best movies. So when you tap enter, you can see right here it will generate the text and give you the answers using this chat GPT. So it's very useful when you have an online works, when you are on SMM or blog writing or copywriting. So it will be useful for you using this AI software. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.